Hi, I'm Liz from the West Las Vegas Library, and at the Maker Faire on March 12th, I will be running the VR station where users can come and play with our HTC Vive VR headset. So this is Beat Saber. It's our most popular game here at the library. We also have other games like Five Nights at Freddy's and an Avengers game, but kids love Beat Saber. The way it works is the user wears a headset and has two controllers. Between each player, we do hand sanitize the headset, and there's a little removable pad that gets thrown away between each user. I'll show you a bit of how Beat Saber gameplay works. So it's a rhythm game. A song plays and the user is slashing through these colored blocks in the direction of the arrows that are shown. You don't have to wait until Maker Faire to come try out our headset. We do regular VR events throughout the month, usually on a Saturday for families and on a Wednesday for teenagers. We hope you enjoyed this video. You can find more videos like this on our YouTube channel at youtube.com/thelibrarydistrict.